indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2018 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Come take a test drive today.